So we've been trying to figure out what artificial intelligence could look like for a co-working operation and site, whether it be a small or a large one. And I invite thinking from anyone else to kind of contribute to this in the industry, but I just don't see a world where artificial intelligence from an on-site staff perspective could replace a headcount or even half of one. And I know it's very tempting to do so because you reduce your operating costs significantly, especially for the smaller sites if you can use technology to reduce it. However, we see AI as more of an enhancer. So it allows to take a lot of those, I guess, easily automated tasks off the hands of a concierge, of a community manager, or of a center manager, so they can use that time more effectively to focus on experience or filling the space or blah, blah, blah. Yeah, it's difficult to see how it can replace someone, right? And I challenge anyone in the industry to figure that out without impacting the experience that they deliver within their site in a pretty detrimental manner. Sure, if you're positioning your smaller sites day one to have minimal, interaction, and it's essentially, frankly, like a self-service type of space, yeah, sure, technology and AI can play a role in that. But when I think about anything that has a human involved in the delivery, and there's talks of AI replacing that, unless you reduce that experience and that reframe that product, it's probably a non-starter. Technology might change, and that could change because you might have these really dope looking 3D holograms that have someone there that could feel like almost a real human being, but not you. I'm thinking like Blade Runner, that kind of stuff. But I don't think we're there yet. It still feels quite detached, right? So hopefully that helps.